Venture into the wild and muddy realms where earth and water freely mix, and you will find the hidden homes of island creatures. These are worlds carved by salt spray and tropical downpours, where dense mangrove roots cradle nimble crabs, and the sodden forest floors are patrolled by majestic, mud-caked wild boar. Life here is a constant negotiation between land and sea, with every creature, from the smallest insect to the basking monitor lizard, wearing the rich, dark clay as a badge of residence. Lionesses are the real hunters. In a pride, the females do most of the hunting, while the males protect the group. Lionesses take care of their cubs with great love, keeping them safe and teaching them to hunt. Some chase prey, while others wait to ambush. Lionesses are known for their courage, speed, and teamwork in the wild. Platypuses are found in freshwater rivers, lakes, and streams along the eastern coast of Australia, from cold highlands to tropical rainforests. Platypuses live in burrows. They dig in the banks of rivers and streams. These burrows can be up to 30 meters, 100 feet long. Llamas are smart and can learn commands like walking on a lead or carrying a pack. Llamas are very clean animals, often using a common toilet spot in their herd area. Baby llamas are called crias. They can stand and walk within an hour after birth. Llamas are herbivores. They eat grass, hay, and other plants. Raccoons are native to North America, but they can now be found in parts of Europe and Asia too. Raccoons are very smart. Scientists say they're as clever as monkeys and can remember solutions to problems for years. Raccoons are nocturnal. Raccoons are excellent climbers and can easily climb trees, fences, and even houses. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view, almost 320 degrees around. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores. Sometimes they eat small animals, eggs, or insects for extra protein. Gorillas are the largest primates in the world. Gorillas share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives. Gorillas are incredibly strong, up to 10 times stronger than an average human. Gorillas are mostly herbivores. They eat leaves, stems, fruit, and bamboo shoots. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Bears are omnivores. Hamsters are small mammals that belong to the rodent family, just like mice and squirrels. That's why your hamster might be running on its wheel when everyone else is asleep. Hamsters' teeth never stop growing, so they need to chew on wood, cardboard, or special chew toys to keep them short. Hamsters are omnivores. Black panthers, especially leopards, are known for climbing trees and dragging their prey up to avoid scavengers. The black panther is actually a melanistic, black-colored form of leopards or jaguars. The black panther symbolizes strength, mystery, protection, and power in many cultures. Marvel's Black Panther superhero was inspired by the animal's grace, stealth, and royal presence. Sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Sheep have horizontal pupils, giving them a wide field of vision. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Hippos are so dense that they don't actually swim. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value, and for ornamental dagger handles. Rhinos are large plant eaters, consuming vast amounts of grass, ascending into the high, thin air. The concept of muddy transforms alongside the terrain. The homes of mountain creatures are shaped by melting snow and sudden storms, creating treacherous, slippery slopes and alpine bogs that teem with life.